Hello, my name is Peter Trenicost. I'm your GIS digital specialist, and today I'm going to talk to you about Undercover Mapper. Undercover Mapper is a fantastically easy way to introduce yourself or your students to the wonders of designing things in GIS. So this is a ready-to-go activity, and there are two different levels here. And I personally use this to introduce my students to GIS after our AP exam when I put them through a 2-week GIS lesson. So when you find the Undercover Mapper website, you're going to see that there's two different activities that you can use, Undercover Mapper 1 and Undercover Mapper 2. And the fantastic thing about this is it's actually set up to use either Mapmaker or the map viewer versions that are available through Esri. So if you want to go kind of easy with Mapmaker, especially if you're teaching maybe K-8, you can do that. Or if you want to get into the more robust version of building and designing maps, you're definitely going to want to use Map Viewer. Once you've decided the version you want, and if you want to do Map Viewer or Undercover Mapper 1 or Undercover Mapper 2, it will open up with the instructions. And then I will let you know that my students absolutely love going through this. They are going to explore all of the robust and different features that are available in ArcGIS Online or Mapmaker. They're going to be finding fantastic geographic things. They're going to be doing measurements. They really buy into this. So once you open up the PDF that has the directions, you click on the map link and it will open up. I chose the new map viewer version to just kind of show you here. And then at this point, you let your students go. They have the directions open up on one side. They have the map open up on another. They're clicking back and forth. And by the end of this few minutes, maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, they are going to understand how to navigate and use ArcGIS Online. Highly, highly recommend using this with your students. Thanks for joining us. And please don't forget to follow us on social media.